back to my channel. My name is Bree. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. So y'all, I am so excited for today's video. If you can tell by the title, I am doing an unboxing video today with Lensmart brand. I was super excited when they reached out to me. So yes, that's what this video is all about. And make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button down below because we already know that you're coming back. And let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so Lensmart was gracious enough to send me 5 pair of glasses. They are a eyewear company. They provide prescription glasses, non-prescription glasses, as well as sunnies too, at a very affordable price. So they sent me 5 glasses and they came in this cute little box that says Lensmart on it. I think this is very cute, and of course you can recycle these materials. And inside is the actual case of the glasses. I thought that was super they come in like this super cute case, and it's not like a flimsy case or anything. And they have the logo right there, and you open them up with the eyeglasses. But inside as well does come with they give you like a little guide on how to maintain the glasses. They also give you a code as well as like a return policy if you want to exchange. And I think that is a great deal. These glasses come in this super case, sturdy case that you can take with you out on the road. Make sure you keep them in here because this is super cute as well. I really like this. I really like the fact that they provided such a cute quality bag with I'm doing this bag with each glasses that you get, and they do provide you with a little cleaning cloth, black little cleaning cloth for your glasses. So I think that is really nice of them to have all of that with their glasses. So let's go ahead and unveil all of the glasses that I have. Okay, so these first pair of glasses are these. Oh y'all, these are so cute. They give me more of a cat eye feel. I picked out 5 pair of glasses and these are one of the style. If I don't have the name of the style, I do apologize, but I will have the link down below if you're wanting to grab one of whichever ones you wanting to grab. I love the design. This is of like that pretty cheetah print that's very popular, and they have like a little extra design at the top that I really love, which is in gold. I think this pairs really well with these glasses, and I also like that they don't have that little like square like in the middle. Design of these glasses fit very well on my face, and they are really cute. I really think these are a nice pair for the office every day. Yeah, something that's very different. This is very different for me, and I really want to pick out glasses that that I usually don't gravitate towards. So I'm really glad that I picked these because these are really cute, and I like that they have like the little, ooh, my hair, and I like that they have like the little gold rim like right there, and these glasses fit very well on my face. So these are the first pair. Okay, so these are the second pair of glasses that I picked out. Well, actually these are the second pair of glasses that I picked out. These are very different from what I'm used to. I absolutely love the design. The design has like this little curve like around the actual lens. It's so different, so innovative, and I'm like, I have to have these. These are, you know, another pair that I usually don't gravitate towards. So I wanted to show you guys what these look like if you're interested in something like different and not necessarily the norm. So that's what this brings. And with that particular design, it also gives like this little pattern like on the design, and I'm thinking this is like more of a cheetah pattern that goes along with it. It's dark, you can't really see it in the light, but the pattern is like of a dark cheetah print like along the actual design, curve design that they have on here. So these are the next pair that I just had to have. Okay, so these are the third pair that I am unboxing, and of course I picked out all of them, and I just had to have these giving me more, gravitate towards more of my style. These are a, you know, glassless rim on them. I don't know. Well, these are more of a square like glasses, more for the bigger size glasses that I gravitate towards. And I love that they have this little design with the cute colors in them. For all the glasses that I'm showing you guys, you don't necessarily have to get it with this color. They come in multiple different like patterns and colors, I believe so, which each type of glasses that you are wanting. So like the ones I showed you guys earlier, you don't necessarily have to get those type of colors. You can get them in different colors with that type of eyewear. So just letting y'all know that. So I thought that was really neat of them to do that, just in case you didn't want this color in it. But I love this color, and I absolutely love that these, and the color is also on like the side, if you guys can see. I thought that's really cute, modern, chic, that you pair this with different outfits, type of looks that you're doing wherever you go. Looks, prescribed, non-prescribed, you know, just throw it with anything. So I think that is really neat. So yes, this is the next pair of glasses that I'm unboxing. So cute. So I have two more glasses left, and this one is the next one, and I thought this was super cute. I want to try again something different. I think they knew me. I think they know exactly what I'm looking for when it comes to the design. I absolutely love all of the little designs that they have with these glasses. This is, again, is giving you more of that, and you know, that cheetah look. Again, you don't have to necessarily get this color with it. I think these are really neat as well. I like these. These are very, again, out of the box, different, something that I wouldn't normally pick. I would want it to be a little bit bigger, but that's okay. That's just me personally. But overall, I think this is a very cute style, something different that they bring to the table. And I like the fact that on all these glasses I'm providing you, they come in different styles, different designs. And I love this color, and I like the fact that they paired it more with a gold like trim like around it to bring it, you know, together and everything. So yes, what do you guys think? Let me know in the description box down below what you guys honestly think about all these different glasses. Okay, so these are the very last pair that I'm showing you guys today. I love this two-tone color that they provided on this style right here. Again, it's giving you like more of a cat eye feel at the top, but it's kind of still giving you like a square at the bottom, or like towards the bottom. Well, the style overall is giving like a dimension. So I really like that, and I think these are super cute. All of these glasses are very sturdy and very affordable price. I believe from what I saw, all of the glasses are around less than 50. I think the highest that they go is kind of close up to 50, but they do, like I said before, I will have a discount down below. So this is the very last pair of glasses. And so that was it for the unboxing of the glasses that Lensmart sent me. Thank you again for Lensmart for providing me such great quality glasses that are super cute. If you're interested in any one of these, I will have them down in the description box below, and make sure you comment on here which ones were your favorites. And if you enjoyed this video today, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe down to my channel. And until next time, bye guys.